Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Renovate. Today we will going to discuss the basic introduction to the vitamins. What are vitamins, how they are important, and what are the important types of the vitamin according to their solubility. So here I have made a chart for you guys to be better explained how the vitamins are distributed in our body and how they are classified. So first the vitamins. The vitamins, by a name, they are suggesting that they are vital in our body and they are very important micronutrients, which means that they are required in smaller quantity, usually in about milligram to microgram per day. So these vitamins are very important part of our vital functions of the body. They act as a coenzyme, they act as a cofactor, and they are proceeding in many repairing and reproductive functions of the body. Maintenance of the cell growth, cell shape, skin texture, all the kidney functions, many of the calcium absorbance, all they are related with the vitamins. As the vitamins are the micronutrients, so they are required in very small quantity, but the deficiency of the vitamin is very common and it can occur readily, and it will be a very dangerous or a pathetic condition when the deficiency of the vitamin occur. So these minute organic micro minerals are required in the body that are not synthesized in the body. They are required through diet or through the sunlight, like some vitamins, that is a vitamin D is required through the sunlight, that's absorbed from the skin, or other from the calcium, bone. So these are required from outside source because they are not synthesized in our body, but they are very important. So now how these vitamins are distributed in our body? They are classified according to their solubility into two types, the water soluble vitamins and the fat soluble vitamin. The water soluble vitamins, they are required daily in the diet. They are required daily in the diet and they are excreted in the urine. That's why they are required daily in the diet. So they are required particularly every day, and they are easily excreted through the kidney in the urine. So that's why its deficiency is common and is not absorbed in the body. So that's why its toxicity is rare. They are excreted daily and they are required daily because their function is very important. If we go to the examples of the water soluble vitamin, they are classified as the B complex and the non-B complex. So the B complex vitamin include the B1, that is the thiamine, the B2 riboflavin, niacin, the B3, the pantothioric acid, the B5, the pyridoxine, B6, biotin, B7, folic acid, B9, and the cobalamin, that is the B12 vitamin. These B complex vitamin are very important coenzyme and cofactor for many of the reactions that are occurring in the body, mostly of the macronutrients, that is the carbohydrate metabolism, amino acid metabolism. These are metabolism required coenzyme in form of the B complex vitamins, and the deficiency of B complex vitamin will cause many of the rare deficiencies. Then the non-B complex vitamin. The non-B complex vitamin is the ascorbic acid, that is a vitamin C, that is also very important in our body and required daily in our body. So that's why the B complex and the vitamin C, these two form the water soluble vitamin, and they are readily soluble, easily soluble through the water molecules of the body in the cell, and they are excreted through the watery secretion, that is a urine from the body. That's why their deficiency is very common. Now the another type, that is the fat soluble vitamin. The fat soluble vitamin are not required daily. Because they are fat soluble, they are easily stored in our body in form of fat or adipose tissue, or in the liver in form of glycogen. Like they are required about 2 to 3 days. We can take the fat soluble vitamin after 1 to 3 days, or you can say 2 or 3 times in a week. Then the another property of the fat soluble vitamin is they absorb and they are not excreted daily. They are not easily excreted because they are water fat soluble, So they are absorbed through the lipoproteins or chylomicron in the body, and they are not excreted through the urine. They remain absorbed for 2 to 3 days. Then that's why, because of their absorption remain for 2 to 3 days, their deficiency is uncommon. They are not easily deficient in the body. They remain in body for about 2 to 3 days, so we can take easily about once or twice in a week in the diet. Then they are transported by the chylomicron with the fats in the liver and the adipocytes in the adipose tissue, and they are stored for few days at the liver and in the adipocytes. So that's why their deficiency is rare, but their toxicity can be occur because they are absorbed and soluble for 2 or 3 days. There can be a increased solubility or increased absorption that lead to the toxicity. Now, what are the fat soluble vitamins that are present through the diet? They are classified as the fat soluble vitamins, that are the vitamin A, also called as the retinoic acid, the vitamin D, that is the cholecalciferol. The other name of vitamin D is the cholecalciferol or the sunshine vitamin. The vitamin K, that is a phenylquinone, and the vitamin E, tocopherols. The names of the vitamins are the chemical biological formulas of these vitamins. So these vitamins, that is A, D, E, K, are classified as the fat soluble vitamin, and they are not required daily in our diet, but they are equally important in our diet once or twice in a week. So we should take both the vitamins in equal quantity. Fat soluble vitamins should be taken once or twice in the week, or the water soluble are required daily in the diet. So this was a journal explanation. About the vitamins. I hope you will be explained well. Thank you for watching our video.